Hey guys, in today's video I will show you how to export videos in Blender. Navigate to the Output Properties tab. Modify resolution, aspect ratio, and frame rate according to your preferences. For higher quality, consider settings frame rate to 60 frames per second. Specify the frame range. To range entire animation, set it from frame 1 to your desired end frame. Choose folder where you want to export your video. Click on the folder icon and pick your desired destination. Select FFmpeg video as file format. Choose MP4. For video codec, select H.264 to ensure compatibility. Click on the render at the top, and here select render animation. Observe progress in the top left corner as Blender renders each frame. Once the rendering is complete, close the render window. Locate your exported video in the chosen folder. Open video file and play it to ensure it meets your expectations. And as we will, if you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.